Good morning, everyone. I want to welcome you to my channel. I hope you're all having a blessed day. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Velvet. I've been an entrepreneur since 2014. I've been doing really well for myself. I haven't made millions of dollars, but I'm doing okay. So if you're new to the channel, it's called Dollars Make Sense, and I basically named it that because dollars do make sense if you think about it. So if you're new, just like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so I had one of my subscribers ask me if I could do a review on Gift Hunter Club and ZoomBucks, and I did some research on it, I signed up, and here I am. Okay, so this is the first, we're going to talk about two websites, Gift Hunter Club and ZoomBucks. So Gift Hunter Club is the first one. As you guys see here, I've earned 75.10 cents. So this is 75 cents basically. And here's the dashboard here. And as you can see, you have these offers. And when you click on it, you see how you hover over it? It tells you what to do. It's an app. So what you do is you install it, you open it, you enter your zip code, you download an app off the offer wall. Install and play 5 scratch cards. Download a free app through when you do what it says in this description here, you get the points, the cents basically. Sign-up bonuses just for you. Register, answer all questions. This is an app. Install, reach level 25. Complete new car owner survey and earn rewards. They have so many things you guys can do on here. So this is a study, basically a survey. Let's take you to the offer walls. They have all these offer walls over here. I like Offer Twirl. I mean, you guys can choose whichever offer wall you want, but I personally like Offer Twirl. And see, I did a video as well about coupons. You guys install you click 25 coupons. You save them to your computer, and you get 18 cents, and it can be completed once every day. Okay, this is a app for an iPhone, and I've played this game before. All you have to do is install, open the app, unlock the 4th level village, and you'll get 490 cents. If you're an Android user, same thing. You'll get 420 points if you reach the 4th village, which is not hard to get to. You can get to the 4th village in one day. Trust me, I've played the game before, twice actually, and it's a really fun game. If you reach level 50 of this game, Bubble Shooter, on an iPhone, you'll get 70 points. Just do what it says. These are worth it, you guys. These are worth it. If you have an Android or an iPhone, I would be doing these. I would install these apps. You get 36 cents just for installing and open the app. Rewards after you click engage and explore the site for 3 minutes. 2.5 cents. You guys these things are easy. Look, you get Hexa Jigsaw for the iPhone, for iOS iPhone. You can install and open the app, you get 4.2 cents. You guys can be doing so much on this site. I don't know. Installing and opening apps is the thing I like to do. I have an iPhone, but, I like to stick to stuff that I like doing. So let's go back to the dashboard here. Let's see where we're at here. 4 minutes. Okay, so we're going to go to the shop here. And I'm going to show you what you guys get when you get to redeem your points, okay? So for 530 cents, you will get, I'm not redeeming, I'm just showing you. You'll get $5. And the quantity goes up. Let's see, click on this. See if it'll open. Okay, there it goes. Hold on. So in order to get $10, you gotta get 1,000 points, 1,000 cents, whatever. If you guys work this site, if you do everything I just showed you, you will get the points. It's not that hard. I'm gonna go for the $5 just because that's where I like to start. You can get to, you can go to $10 if you choose. I personally want to stick with where I'm at. Okay. And these are all the surveys right here. Just click on surveys. And these are all the surveys. Now I'm going to be honest with you. This is my first time even coming on this site, so I do not know if there are disqualification points, okay? I don't know that. I'm hoping there are, but I don't know that, okay? So, just throwing that out there. Some sites have disqualification points, others don't. Okay, so that's enough about Gift Hunter Club. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you liked the video. When you guys do sign up, you can go ahead and just explore the site yourself. But like I said, the things I'm going to do on here is the offer walls and the videos and the surveys. Okay, so Zoombucks now. Here we are on Zoombucks. This is a really great site because you get up to 3,000 points and you get $3. So 614 points is what I have right now, and I have not been using this site very much. But there's tons of things you can do. You guys can do chat research surveys on here. If they still have it, I'm not sure. But when I tried to do tap research on it before, it didn't really credit me. So I don't know if they're still offering disqualification points for tap research because it's so popular. But there's tons of things you guys can do on here. You have your offer walls. I stick to the tap research if they don't. I don't see it on here anymore. But they have theorem research, theorem reach. This is a lot like tap research. You get disqualification points for that one. You get disqualification points for Peanut Labs. You guys just have to come here and, find what works for you. But here we are on I'm going to go to the world. I'm going to let you know what you get for cashing out. These are all the gift cards on this site. But I'm going to find PayPal because I like the PayPal cash. You guys can come on here and go through these gift cards if you want, but I'm going to show you what you get for PayPal. If you're trying to get PayPal, it's like way down here. Hold on one second while I find it. It's way at the bottom. There it is. See? Found it. Okay, so we'll click on this. And as you can see, $3 for 3,000 points, $5 for 5,000 points, $10 for 10,000 points, 20,000 points for $20, 50,000 points for $50. Now, 3,000 points, you guys can get to that. You just have to really work the site. I've made it to 3,000 points twice. There's a similar website. I forgot the name of it. I think it's Grab Points. Yeah, Grab Points. It's similar to Grab Points. Grab Points is a partner with Zoombucks. So Grab Points is the site that I worked, and I was able to cash out $3 twice and $5 once. Okay, so $3 I actually think 3 times actually. So yeah, like I said, you guys, you got to come on here and find your niche. I can show you what I do all day long, but you guys got to come on here and figure out what works for you. Like I said, the surveys work. People talk about surveys. And I'm back into surveys, so I might try some of these. But my advice to you is to do the surveys, okay? So I'm going to leave the link for both of these sites below if you guys want to sign up. You can watch videos on here. You can do offers. These are all the offers they have. Tons of offers. Some of these are free. Some of these are paid, like you get like right here. This is only $1, you guys. $1. 2 free books for kids who are trying to read. $1, and you get 6,955 points. There's your $5 right there. I would do this because it's only $1. You're only investing $1. That's it. You're only investing $1, and you get 6,955 points, and that's your $5 right there, you guys. You can't beat that. It's only $1. I've done this multiple times. Only $1. Only $1. But you get your $5 right there. I would do this offer. I would do this offer if I were you guys because it's only this gives